Hello friends, I am going to discuss illustration number 8 of the CMA final SFM capital budgeting. Please read the questions here. Illustration number 8. A and company is contemplating whether to replace an existing machine by spending or to spend money on the operating it. A and company currently paid no taxes and the replacement of the machine cost rupees 1 lakh. And now the required maintenance cost rupees 10,000 at the end of the every year for 8 years. At the end of 8 years, it would have a salvage value rupees 20,000 and would be sold. The existing machine require increasing amounts of the maintenance each year and its salvage value each year is as this 1, 2, 3, 4, and these are the maintenance cost and these are the salvage value. Okay, the opportunity cost of the capital for A and B, that is 15%. When should company replace it? These are present value factors are given. In this case, we have to identify whether it is better decision to replace existing machine or repair and maintenance the existing machine and make it continue. For evaluation purpose, we have to find present value of running cost of new machine as well as present value of running cost old machine and equivalent annual cost of old machine as well as a new machine, and the equivalent annual cost which has low equivalent annual cost is accepted. Okay, now evaluation of this. It is assumed that working note first. Working note first. It is assumed that the new machine is continue from today. The new machine is continue from today. Then present value of cost. Present value of cost of new machine, what will be? In purchase rupees 1 lakh cost and repair and maintenance each year rupees 10,000. Each year rupees 10,000. The present value annuity factor 15%, 8 years, and the maintenance after salvage value is 20,000. Present value factor 15%, 8 years. Rupees 1 lakh, rupees 10,000. Present value factor for 8 years is given in the given questions. 4.4873 4.4873 minus 20,000 into 0.3269. This is rupees 1 lakh plus 44,873 minus 6538. This is rupees 1,38,000 1,38,335. Now equivalent annual cost. Equivalent annual cost. This is the present value of cost divided by present value annuity factor 15%, 8 year. Now this is rupees 1,38,335 whole divided by 4.4873 rupees 30,828. This is equivalent annual cost. What this means, if old machine continue, then in 1 year running cost is 30,828. In 1 year running cost is 30,828. Now we have to evaluate the running cost when old machine is continue for 1 year, when old machine is continue for 2 years, when old machine is continue for 3 years. Okay. In working note second, working note second, calculation of equivalent annual cost when old machine is replaced at the end of 1 year. At the end of 1 year. Look at it. Current salvage value is of 40,000. If you are not going to replace right now, then this opportunity cost will lose 40,000. Selling price, the sales revenue 40,000 will, we don't have a sales value in this case. We have to sell the same machine after 1 year in 25,000. So this your 40,000 sales value, which is a current sales value, that you will not receive, and this is your opportunity cost, and you will have to give the 10,000 maintenance cost at the end of the year, and thereafter you can sell the same machine at the 25,000. The here opportunity cost is assumed to be 40,000 because you was able to sell the same machine at right now 40,000, but you are not able to sell. Why? Because of you have decided to sell the same machine after 1 year. Okay, look at here. The 40,000 your opportunity cost. After 1 year, you have to make expense in repair and maintenance for 1 year. Thereafter, you will sell the same product, same machine in 25,000. Now 40,000 plus this is 8696 minus 21739. This is 20 total 26,957. 26,957. Now calculation of equivalent annual cost. Equivalent annual cost equal to present value of cost divided by present value annuity factor, rate of interest 15%. This is 1 because of you are going to replace after 1 year. 26,957. This is for 1 year, 0.8695 rupees 31,000. Look at it. Equivalent annual cost when machine is continue for 1 year is a running cost is a 31,000. When old machine is continue 30,820. Similarly, we need to calculate equivalent annual cost when old machine is continue for 2 years and replace after 2 years. Working note 3. Calculation of equivalent annual cost when old machine is sold at the end of second year. End of second year. Present value of cost. In this case, 40,000 your opportunity cost. You have not sold here. At the end of first year, repair and maintenance cost 10,000. At the end of second year, repair and maintenance cost is 20,000. 1 plus 0.15. At the end of second year, you have sold the same machine in 15,000. This is for second year repair and maintenance cost. This is sold for 50 after 1 year. 40,000 plus 8695 plus 15123 minus 11342. Total cost you have 52,476. 52,476. Equivalent annual cost. This is present value of cost divided by present value annuity factor 15% 2 year. This is 52,467 whole divided by 1.6257. 52,004 1.6257. This is 32,279. 32,279. Okay. In this case, 32,279 is the equivalent annual cost. It means when machine is going to continue for 2 years, then in 1 year, in each year, you have to pay 32,279 at a equivalent annual cost. Similarly, when machine is going to sell, machine is continue for 3 years, then what will be equivalent annual cost? We need to calculate here. Calculation of equivalent annual cost when old machine is continue for 2 years, for 3 years. Your opportunity cost is 40,000. 10,000 repair and maintenance cost at the end of the first year. Thereafter, repair and maintenance cost at the end of the first year. 20,000 repair and maintenance cost at the end of the second year. Because of this is a second year. Now repair and maintenance cost for third year is 15,000. Third year is 30,000 repair and maintenance cost at the end of third year. Thereafter it is sold in 10,000. Thereafter it is sold in 10,000 at the end of third year. The information is already given in the case of this. And 30,000 repair and maintenance cost at the end of the third year, and sale price at the end of the third year of the old machine is 10,000. Okay. Here, this is 40,000 plus 8695. 8695 15123 plus 15123. Here 30,000 into 2.2832. 2.2832 minus 10,000 2.28 2.2832. Ultimately this is 63,818 63,818 plus 68,496 68,496 68,496 minus this is a present value factor. This is your present value factor. Now look at it. 1.15 1.15 to 3 1.15. You will divide this 1.15 1 year, 2 year, this is third year, 0.6575 6575. Now you multiply 30,000 1972 19725 minus 0.6575 6575. Okay. Now 63,000, in this case please try to understand, 40,000 plus 8695 plus 15123 15123 40,000 plus 8695 plus 15123, this 60, this plus 19725 minus 6575 76,000. This is your 76,968 968. Equivalent annual cost equivalent annual cost annual cost, present value of cost, present value annuity factor, rate of interest your 15%, that is 3. 76968 whole divided by 1.15 1 2 3 2.2832 2.2832 into 76968 968 33,000 710. Look at it. It means when old machine is continue for 3 years, then each year repair maintenance cost is 33,000. When old machine is continue for 2 years, then each year repair and maintenance cost is 32,279. When old machine is continue for 1 year, then each year repair and running cost 31,000. When new machine is continue for this, then this is the 30,828. Here the lowest equivalent annual cost for running due to new machine. Here lowest equivalent annual cost due to new, hence replaced right now, replaced now, replaced now. This is the questions when you should replace the machine. When you are different times, at different replacement time, you will need to calculate equivalent annual cost and the lower one is selected. Okay, thank you. Please like, subscribe and share my videos.